Summer Holiday by Robinson Jeffers. When the sun shouts and people abound, one thinks there were the ages of stone and the age of bronze and the Iron Age. Iron, the unstable metal. Steel, made of iron, unstable as his mother. The towered-up cities will be stains of rust on mounds of plaster. Roots will not pierce the heaps for a time. Kind rains will cure them. Then nothing will remain of the Iron Age and all these people but a thigh bone or so, a poem stuck in the world's thought, splinters of glass in the rubbish dumps, a concrete dam far off in the mountain.